Hi, I'm Darley Newman, and we're here in North Alabama. We're discovering accessible travel, places that welcome travelers of all abilities.
Everyone wants to have fun. Everyone wants to travel. Just being more inclusive in general, that really makes all the difference.
Including beautiful natural places. Heading down to Little River Falls, decided to try the accessible ramp. We're exploring museums that are welcoming to travelers of all abilities, including museums with caves. It's great for families, especially on days that are sensory friendly.
Parasailing, oh, it's awesome. Just to witness that and be able to compete in that, that's a major achievement.
We're visiting Helen Keller's birthplace and seeing a production of The Miracle Worker.
Mrs. Keller! Thousands of people come here from around the world, really. And we always say you don't see it, you experience it.
Welcome to Travels with Darley.
In North Alabama.